First, you want to go to this website and click on the free download. I'll leave a link in the description. Once it's downloaded, you want to open it and go to the custom clean. You can customize what you want to clean and what you want to leave. Just wait for this to finish. Once it's complete, you can exit out of this. Press Windows key and R and type temp.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ctrl A delete. Close out of this. Windows key and R again. This time type temp. Clear all of this. Ctrl A delete. Do the same again, Windows key and R, but this time type fetch.
Artlist.io.
Lastly, right-click and empty the recycle bin. Now restart your PC and you're good to go.
Music licensing reimagined.